Don't put it in the microwave.
Seriously?
I'm so serious. Put it in a microwave. You should read it. I never knew. Yo, I just told my husband what my 7-year-old told me. I never knew the cup ramen. You're not supposed to put it in the microwave. Well, guess what? My 7-year-old was the one that told me. How many years? Years it has been since I've been putting the ramen cup with water and put it in the microwave. Ah, my kid is smarter than me. My kid is smarter than me. My second born. Guess what? My husband just went to the into the kitchen to go read it.